everyone, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a very flavorful Cajun chicken pasta. Absolutely delicious, bold flavor, very easy to make. Before I begin, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. To begin, we're going to start with 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I am going to dice them into cubes, okay? Not too small, not too big. Also, you can use chicken breast as well if you have that. This is my to-go Cajun chicken pasta. It tastes absolutely delightful. Very, very bold in flavor. You cannot go wrong. Perfect for any weeknight dinner or, you know, when you just want to make something quick and easy. Now you're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on the chicken. Rub it in together, just like this. And now it's time to season. I have a teaspoon each, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Creole seasoning, a little bit of Italian seasoning, ground black pepper. Just sprinkle it just like this. Mix it up together. Don't be shy. Just sprinkle it on there. Whatever's left, you can save it for the creamy sauce, but so far it looks good. I'm just gonna save the little, I have about like half a tablespoon left. Just save that for later. And there you have it. My chicken is nice and seasoned. I set the chicken on the side. It's currently marinating. Now I am going to boil the pasta. I have my water already boiling. I'm going in with 1 box of penne pasta. Give that a mix. Also, we are going to use salt and some chicken bouillon, about a tablespoon each. Mix it up so they don't stick together. Then we're going to cover it, allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes or until al dente. My pasta is done, nice and al dente, as you guys can see. But before you pour out your water, grab you a cup or a bowl. We're gonna get about 1 cup of that pasta water. Okay, save it for later because we'll be using it. Do not just throw it away. Or you can use chicken broth. If you already threw your water away, just grab yourself a cup of chicken broth. But the water, the pasta water is nice and thick. It's gonna give you that consistency you want, creamy, thick. Yeah. Now we can take this away. It's time to pan sear the chicken. So I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'm going in with the chicken. We're going to cook the chicken for about 3 minutes per side until they're nice and golden brown, then flip them over. All right, guys, it's time for me to flip the chicken over. It is smelling really good right now. We have a beautiful color on the chicken, as you can see. I'm going to let it go for another 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll remove it, set it aside. It smells absolutely delicious, you guys. Perfect. We're going to set that aside for now so we can start working on the creamy sauce. The creamy sauce is very easy to make. And let me know if you guys tried my other Cajun chicken recipe. This is my go-to, my favorite go-to Cajun chicken recipe. And there it is. Nice, golden brown, delicious. All right, guys, I just added a tablespoon of butter in here. I'm going in with 1 small tomato. I try not to add the water yet because I really want to fry the tomato to release all the flavor. Going in with half a small onion. Going to fry that. Also, I have about 3 cloves of garlic that I'm going to add in. Just going to fry everything together. I'm going in with 1 cup of the chicken, not the chicken, the pasta water. Add that in. Also, I'm going in with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Perfect. The remaining of the seasoning, I'm using 1 tablespoon. All right, now guys, I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of my Cajun Crush seasoning. Add that in. Going to give it a nice stir. Also, I'm going in with a little bit of fresh parsley. And we cannot forget the cream cheese. This is what's going to make it nice and creamy. So add some cream cheese to it. About 3 tablespoons should do it. It smells so, so good. Give it a nice stir. Now we're about to add the pasta. Now make sure you taste this sauce, okay? It tastes good, but make sure you taste it before you add the pasta to it. You see how it's getting nice and thick and creamy? Yes, that's what we want. And now I'm going to add in the pasta, just like this. Once you add that in, give it a mix. Nice and creamy, as you guys can see. Smells amazing as well. I'm gonna add some freshly grated Parmesan. You can't go wrong with that. Add as much as you want. Ooh, nice. And also you cannot forget about the chicken, okay? Nice and delicious. I'm gonna leave some so I can add on top of the pasta. But mix that together and there you have it. There you have it, delicious, creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Super easy, as you can see. Nothing's to it, just quick, simple, delicious. I'm adding a little bit more of that fresh parsley and it is pretty much done. A little bit more of that fresh parsley and there you go. It is time for the taste test. You know I'm excited. Let's give it a try. It is so creamy and it smells absolutely flavorful. Oof. Yes, let's give it a try, y'all. Cheers. This recipe, always a hit, never a miss. I'm talking about 10 out of 10. Would recommend you need to try this. Absolutely flavorful, got a little kick to it from the Cajun seasoning. Don't forget to grab your Cajun seasoning down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed and give it a try very, very soon because this is definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.